Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the 3D printing, which is called as additive manufacturing and which is a recent trend in the manufacturing industry. Till now in the manufacturing industry, what the process was followed? That process was the casting through the foundry industry. The casting of the particular component is to be manufactured first, and later the different machining processes are to be carried out, like that gear teeth cutting, that keyway cutting, and some the dimensions reductions. All these things are carried out on that component. Then the finished product is tested for its function as well as the performance. And some of the manufacturing processes are carried out the forging technology. Through that one also the manufacturing of the components will be carried out. Till now in the industry, that was the procedure for the manufacturing. Nowadays the recent technology what developed is the 3D printing. 3D printing means, as we know that one, the printing. The printing on the paper is a one dimensional, whatever the paper on that, the written matter will prints. The three-dimensional object or a component, if it is printed like a paper, that is called as a 3D printing. Here we can see that one, this one, the printer, through that one, this three-dimensional 3D is printed. And the another one we can see here, the gear is manufactured through 3D printing. That is the 3D printing, and what its definition, how the printing is carried out, that we'll discuss now. Here the definition of the 3D printing, that you can see that one, 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of a three-dimensional object from a CAD model or a digital 3D model. It can be done in variety of processes in which material is deposited, joined or solidified under the computer control, with the material being added together, typically layer by layer. Actually in the manufacturing, what will do that one, the design of that component or object is carried out initially, and the dimensions are finalized. Then the casting as of that one is to be prepared, then the machining and the finishing work. That will be there, and that whatever three-dimensional component is there, that is formed by using this CAD modeling. That is the designed model. That three-dimensional model is prepared in the computer software. Then later, whatever that CAD model is there, the computer which is prepared, that is fed to that 3D printer, where the required material whatever is there, that required material is supplied through a various process, and that material is deposited and joined layer by layer and solidified under the computer control. Here it will be controlled through a computer only, with the material is being added together, typically by layer by layer. Layer by layer addition of the material is to be carried out. Then later how it happens, that we can see here. Layer by layer addition, and in the 3D printing, the model from the CAD will fed to the printer, and by supplying the suitable material for that particular component, what material is required, that is supplied. The layer by layer addition will takes place as shown in figure. Here the layer by layer addition will be taking place. Initially 0.05 mm layer is added, then next 0.05 mm addition is 0.1 mm, it will becomes like that. Layer by layer addition will be taking place, and for one printing layer, whatever the thickness is there, that is shown, and through the nozzle, whatever the material is there, that is supplied to this printing application. The addition of layers will be continued till the product is completed. The addition of the material will be that continued till the product is completed. That one. Many complex products are manufactured by 3D printing. The simple products are manufactured by casting, or later that will be joined different metal joining processes, and by that all it will be carried out, and that will be done the final object. And here the complex the objects also developed. This is also called as the additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing means the addition of that whatever the layer by layer material taking place, that's why it is called as the additive manufacturing, as the addition of the layer takes place to form the object. That is the 3D printing, how it will be carried out. Okay, the 3-dimensional complex object which can be directly formed. Okay, the final dimension only we are going to get here without machining or without any other processes. Directly the component will be formed, finished component. That is the 3D printing. And here that 3D printing, how it will be carried out, there are some videos are there. Those video links I have shared here, and that links you can use to see that one, how the 3D printing will be carried out. With this, the 3D printing means the 3-dimensional component printing by using that one of the mechanism, that is called as a 3D printing. That completes that one, and thank you for watching.